Does not. Doesn't
All racers, please come over here to the pit.
They're all throwing stones at the back of my home, kicking the dirt in the air. Well, I live to think while they're thinking I'm stoned. Well, I had no cause to be there.
Reluctantly crouched at the starting line, engines pumping and thumping in time. The green light flashes, the flags go up, churning and burning, they yearn for the cup. They dash through maneuver and muscle the rank, fuel burning fast on an empty tank. Reckless and wild, they pour through the turns. The crowd is potent and secretly stern. As they speed through the finish, the flags go down. The fans get up and they get out of town. The arena is empty, except for one man still driving and striving as fast as he can. The sun has gone down and the moon has come up, and long ago somebody left with the cup. But he's driving and striving and hugging the turns and thinking that someone who he still burns. He's going the distance. He's going for speed. She's all alone in a time of need. Because he's racing and pacing and plotting the course. He's fighting and biting and riding on his horse. He's going the distance.
It's all on this race, man.
This is a big one. This is for the prize, the trophy. This is True Grit versus the devil. This is True Grit versus the devil.
Nothing wrong.
Time is here. Take on the trophy.
Yeah.
There's no flashbacks, no line. He's haunted by something he cannot define. Bowel-shaking earthquakes of doubt and remorse assail him, impale him with monster truck force. In his mind, he's still driving, still making the grade. She's hoping in time that her memories will fade, cause he's racing